Hi, this is Aaron and Linda with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're going to give you a bit of a tour of the Renaissance Hotel in the Edmonton International Airport. We stayed here one night before we went off to Jasper Park Lodge, and it was a late night when we came in, so bear with us on the low light, and we will show you the hotel coming right up. So we are staying in Jasper at Jasper Park Lodge. And we came in really late. We were in at about 2 a.m. our time, or midnight, basically, local time. And we decided to stay at the Renaissance Hotel that's right there at the airport, then really early morning pick up our car and drive into Jasper. So this is a little bit of video of the airport, but we will quickly get into the hotel. The hotel is directly attached to the airport. There's a catwalk that lets you get directly in there. A fairly modern hotel. Not exactly our style per se, but they had sort of disco lighting in the main area. It wasn't bad by any means at all. Just very modern. The hotel, it seemed as though it was a bit of an older hotel that was remodeled. The remodel was really good. I do give a little bit of a wrap up as to what we thought about the hotel and the hotel room after sleeping in it. Some of the comments and feedback we had was to give a bit more information about what we thought of the hotel after staying in the hotel. So I gave a little bit of an update at the end, to give you a bit of context on that. The hotel is a bit more expensive than hotels that you might find in the area, obviously because it is in the airport and you can walk right off your plane and right into the hotel. Is about $230 Canadian a night. Again, we were just staying there for the single night, so it made sense for us. The room was very comfortable. We really enjoyed the rest there. That might have also been because we were really tired. But here you can see the lobby. The lobby is pretty open. They've got a restaurant just to the left there and a little dining area. We got those funky disco lights. So here's the room, and I'll leave it to the room tour and you can sort of see what the room was like. This is room number 210, second floor, the Renaissance in Edmonton. Here's the washroom. Pretty modern facility. You can see it's got pretty nice. It's a weird jean wall, which I'm not sure I love. It's a pretty big bathroom. It's got nice tile, nice sort of a subway tile, modern bassinet or bathtub. And then over here, it's divided by this barn door, but the barn door either covers the washroom or the closet. So that's a little bit interesting, just how it covers one or the other. The hotel layout is pretty linear, so pretty well just a line here. We're in 210. And this is the sort of living space, if you will. So 2 queen beds here. Pretty modern, feels very modern. Pretty good TV over here. There's some charging ports behind my backpack. So a pretty good array of charging ports there. Down here we have our fridge, which is empty. And then next to that, we have your safe and a couple of, looks like containers, which have just ice and glasses. And next to the bed you do have some charging ports, which is nice. As you can see here, got some charging ports back there. And lastly, the view, not particularly amazing. Our view here on the second floor is of, I don't know if you can see that, but it's just of the road and the parking lot there. So nothing too amazing here. Not a bad room, pretty good. It's right here at the airport. It's attached. We'll show you the video of us walking to it. It's very close. So, all in all, very nice. We're going to be here one night. We're in Jasper. They've also got a bunch of coffee pods here, which is nice. Looks like Keurig style. Yep, Keurig coffee maker, which is nice. So, we're looking forward to our stay in Jasper. And, got a picture there of my thumb. There we go. I'm looking forward to Jasper and enjoying Edmonton. So Have a great rest of the day. Hi there. Just a really quick update since we slept the night in the room. A couple things that we really liked. The shower head is very high, so for me, who's 6'4", I'm able to fit underneath it pretty easily. Also, some other things that we noticed. The air conditioner in the room, you can kind of hear a little bit of rattling at night, which you usually can on these sort of individual air conditioners that are in individual rooms. All in all, not very loud. Some of them are very noisy. This one wasn't. And pretty good soundproofing for airplanes. You could just kind of hear the engine rev up. Linda, who was sitting in the bed closest to the door, didn't really notice any of that. Beds are very comfortable. Shower was good. So all in all, really, really nice. Great if you are staying the night to catch another flight, because we're attached to the Edmonton Airport. Also great if you are only going to spend a day here. You're right at the airport. You can get right off. We had a late flight. We were in at 2 o'clock our time, midnight in Edmonton, and we just wanted to go to sleep. So sorry for the rushed room tour, but we were trying to do that really quickly. Have a great day. Have a great night, and don't forget to like and subscribe.